Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Joseph, an Internet Marketing Executive in EasyParcel, and in this video, we would like to share with you a very exciting plan that's coming up for you this June. And that is, we are going to make a weekly video series for you guys, and it's called... So you are probably wondering what this series will be about. So basically, Ask EasyParcel will be covering anything and everything related to EasyParcel, such as tutorials, tips and tricks, marketing tools, Q&A sessions, and many other exciting content that you will get to watch it very soon. And the best part is that you can be a part of it as well. All you have to do is just type #AskEasyParcel with the question that you want to ask and just drop it in the comment section down below. For example, #AskEasyParcel, how to check for delivery rate in EasyParcel. And we will try our very best to make a video content based on your question and include it in our series. So remember to follow our Instagram and Facebook page as well as to subscribe to our YouTube channel. More awesome videos are on your way. Stay tuned.